If your catalytic converter got stolen and you're in California, I'm going to try to save you guys a little aggravation and money. It's going to cost a lot. I'm going to tell you guys that right off the bat. But I have my van hooked up to this scanner. All my parameters are good with the green check mark. That means I should pass smog, and I would have passed smog. But here's the mistake I made. I'm at the DMV right now. Failed smog. I'm gonna try to get a moving permit right now. Hopefully I could drive this thing for a month before I have to fix it. But here's my tip for the day. Here's my mistake, and I hope you guys don't make the same mistake. This is a non-California compliant catalytic converter. $450. It is a direct fit. I wrapped it in cable, painted it to deter theft so this won't happen again. Here's the problem. Non-California compliant catalytic converter. I took the chance. $450. Bought the cables, new O2 sensor, exhaust clamps. So I'm about $700 down the toilet right now. I was hoping I could get away with this for $700, but I failed. So I would have passed. My computer was good, everything's good, no check engine light, no pending check engine light. But yeah, the dude failed me because it's a non-California compliant catalytic converter. And this was like a 90-year-old Chinese guy. I thought he would just take a quick peek and I'll be good to go. But yeah, he crawled under my van with the flashlight and everything. I went to this smog place because my friend told me that the smog place he went to, they just peeked at it for like 1 second. So I don't know, maybe I was profiled with my van, but yeah. So he said you're not going to pass until you get a California compliant catalytic converter. So I guess I'm going to have to do that now. So I'm hoping, like when I was looking them up online, they were like $2,500. I really hope I'm not going to pay that much for one. So right now I'm at the DMV. Hopefully I could move this thing for about a month, moving permit for a month. Then I'll figure things out. The guy that failed me gave me this list of catalytic converters that are acceptable for my van, so I'm gonna have to look these up, find the cheapest one. One of you guys left me a comment. You have the same van as me, live in California, and the smog station fixed you up for $800. That's what I should have did to begin with. So yeah, I try to go cheap. $450 for the converter, new oxygen sensor, exhaust clamps, labor to get it installed, just under $700. Yeah, the guy who got that $800 deal, that's a good deal. So if this video helped you out, hey, give me a subscription, give me a subscribe, thumb it up, leave me a comment. This channel is self-funded, no Patreon, no Indiegogo. I don't solicit donations. But when you guys leave me a comment, subscribe to me, it helps me out a lot, and that'll contribute to my stolen catalytic converter fund. So there you guys go. Don't do what I just did. Now I'm trying to get a moving permit.